So, honey, what are we doing?
Painting. Scheiße.
What do you want to do with this area here?
I want to make a nice bookshelf, aka alcohol shelf.
Ah, so an alcohol bar and a bookshelf.
So I can read a book, read a drink, and
pour a book.
yeah.
All right, there we go. Okay, well, let's see how it goes. You're gonna do everything yourself, no?
My husband is gonna help me with some stuff.
Oh.
I'm gonna make this some quality time.
Oh, what's my job?
Painting. And drilling.
Painting? Looks like you got the painting under control.
Nah.
Drilling, though, I can do that.
Yeah?
Sure.
Good.
What about sawing? Should I do some sawing too? Okay. All right. Let's see how it goes. Looking good. What do you think? 2 coats or not? Looks like a 2-coat job to me, unfortunately. But first coat is done. Good job.
Turn around the pit, no?
Is it complete? You love it? Yes. It is very nice. Very nice.